Hi, it's me, Nancy, today. Well, I'm going to go up to the house now, but I wanted to show you what an incredible place this is. There's so much to look at and study. There's just so much to learn, to observe. Isn't that an incredible place? There's a road over there. It's just so cool. I've come here for 16 years. I came down here almost every morning. Every morning for 16 years. That's quite a schedule. No wonder I felt lost when I left because I didn't go to the bus and come down here for my walk. I would always come and walk and observe the floodwaters in the spring. This is a really good, solid snowpack here. It's really good and solid. Nevertheless, I'm holding on to my well secured chair. That's my new bridge and the old bridge. So neat.